Fueled up.
Gotta go to work, gotta go to work.
Time to go to work. Getting ready to head out. Just fueled up. Mexico, here we come.
It's time to go to work.
Time to go to work?
Time to go to work.
Let's do it. What's that on your calendar, sir?
You know what time it is. It's time to go to work.
Let's go, fellas. Let me see that move, man. What's the move? What kind of foolishness are y'all? All right, so we got Manny here speaking some Spanglish. He said something about
Hola, buenas noches. No gracias, but we're here to pull on some grouper lips. This is new.
And for the starting lineup, we have OG Lance, G-Thing, Manny, aka Canelo, and of course me, Manny Ryan. We just arrived to Bahia de Los Angeles. I went in my 2023 Jeep Wrangler. I want to welcome you guys with this beautiful view of all of the islands in the background. Let's go get some fish. It was a very comfortable ride down with the fishing poles down the middle and the cooler in the back. We had no problems getting across the border and getting down here. This is the boat ramp, the small beach on the right-hand side. I like to come here when I first come into town. My weapon of choice will be a Shimano Oshia Jigger 4000 paired with a Phoenix Megalodon 609 with a Nature Boy Wiggle Rider 295 paired with a 130-pound test line along with 80-pound top shot. As you see, jigging game strong. On my second drop, I hooked up on a yellowtail on the crank halfway off the bottom. These fish were decent 20 to 30-pound fish, perfect size. Next, Manny hooked up on the bottom with live bait on a decent red snapper. The bite was on. After that, the cooler was filling up. Next, I think we had 2 more yellowtail, and then the bite opened up to grouper. As you can see, G-Thing going to work. These new rails added onto the Fisharmz 1 are excellent for fighting yellowtail. As you can see, OG Lance is turning up on this yellowtail that's about 35 pounds. The fish is pulling the whole way. Decent quality fish. Captain Missael put us on the bite. It was a beautiful day. We fished for about an hour and a half and the cooler was full and we were headed back to the dock. I'm talking about quality fish, nice red snapper, nice cabria, nice solid yellow tail. We also had a black sea bass, which we dropped off at Lizette's so that we can get some good grub. On the way in, we saw some local fishermen hooked up in the shallows. So of course, you know what that led to. That led to us wanting to throw a line once we got close. We were waiting for the trailer at the boat ramp, and me and G Thing started throwing lures. We were using Colt Snipers, 80 grams, and also the Nomad rubber Australian lure. These lures got picked up on the second cast by sand sharks. Beautiful 4-foot sand sharks. Gave us a good fight. It was a good way to end the day. This place is just beautiful. Check us out. Going to work. If or when any of you guys are ready to go on a trip out to Bahia de Los Angeles and you want to get in touch with Captain Missael Martinez of Fisharmz, hit him up on Instagram or Facebook. He is on all platforms. This is the guy for you. He knows how to put you on the fish. He understands the importance, and he is a avid fisherman himself. Very versed in the art of jigging. These are his waters. He is a commercial fisherman off season, and he knows a lot of places to go get the fish. He's very well versed in it. G Thing right here is on his second cast. He's bouncing. I'm dragging. Once I notice that he gets hit on the drag, as you see, he's having a fast retrieve. Boom, he gets hit. So they're reacting to the fast retrieve. I automatically switch up my technique so that I can get bit too. Now, these sand sharks, they came alive halfway through the fight once they realized that they were hooked. You know, once you get them up to the boat, that's when they kind of go crazy. But the surf fishing is amazing. I have a video coming out probably tomorrow that I'm gonna do the surf fishing video where we were catching Corvina off La Gringa and out in front of Los Vientos Hotel. The water is 80 degrees. It's beautiful. You can take a swim and fish at the same time. Don't pass up that opportunity. While waiting for the trailer to arrive to the ramp, we started casting Colt Snipers and Nomad rubber jigs in the shallow water and started hooking sharks. Fun fight. Good way to end the day on the Fisharmz.
Oh shit! Oh shit! You guys throwing what?
He wanted that.
All your shit is gone. What you got, man? I don't know. This thing got shit. Almost that color, right? Almost. Hey!
No, man, I like to fish, bro.
Another shark.
Oh, it's another shark.
Well, if you want to catch sharks, it's the spot, huh? Shark. Open your mouth.
Just arrived at Lizette's. We're about to turn up for dinner. This is the best spot in town. Hi, Lizette. How are you? Nice to see you, as always.
The food was so amazing. We had dinner prepared 4 different ways with vegetables and rice. It's always a blast and a pleasure coming and having our dinner at Lizette's. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy all of the footage that I'm putting out. This is part 1 of 4, so I have more coming. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching.